Secret investments are one of the best ways to achieve financial freedom, but for decades, people have relied on brokers to turn that dream into a reality.
But in recent years, especially since the pandemic, that trend has changed. From our Denver affiliate, reporter Faraz Javed shows us how investment apps are proving to be a game changer and what people should watch out for.
Robinhood, Public, eToro, Acorns, these are some of the many investing apps out there giving folks access to the stock market and the crypto world with just a few taps on their phone. Karen McCollum works as a nurse anesthetist, and apps give her the flexibility to track her investment during breaks.
I think it's great that people are able to invest at any time, anywhere.
Patrick Bailey is also on investment apps and has friends that have made a fair amount of money through online platforms. Isn't it insane that pretty much anyone can start their investment journey by just a couple of $100s?
Yeah, it truly is, especially for teenagers that you hear these success stories of them becoming millionaires overnight.
Financial guru Dewey Steffen says investment apps are great for millennials.
40% of millennials don't think they have enough money to get started. Well, if there's an app out there that you can invest or try it for $5, $100, that's an amazing entry point.
A recent survey by the Penny Hoarder shows that 60% of Americans plan to put more money into investment apps in 2022 than they did in 2021.
Start with a small amount, maybe $1,000, and then continuously add $100 a week, $100 a month, but really the roadmap to success is start and then add.
Dewey says apps also give users the option of investing in cryptocurrency and cannabis, the two categories that are not available through investment firms. But Dewey also emphasizes that brokers will not be replaced by apps because serious investors will always seek professional advice, something that most apps don't offer.
Every market is basically down, from stocks, bonds, crypto. The only one that's up is oil and some commodities. So again, you need to understand what you're doing and why you're doing it.
But even then, Adrian Volk, who also invests using apps, feels the digital space meets her requirements. At what point will you reach out to a broker, if at all?
I think I'm going to stick with the online resources for a while.
Now, Dewey says since the market is currently down, this is a great time to start investing. The key is to do your due diligence, seek professional advice if you can, and lastly, don't use your credit card to start your investment journey. Reporting from Southfield, I'm Faraz Javed, 7 Action News.